Welcome to the People's and Press meeting at IAA 21. I'm Michael Cole, President and CEO, Hyundai Motor Europe.
Well, and I'm Thomas Schemera, Executive Vice President and Global CMO of Hyundai Motor Company. Welcome.
Today's event is about challenging the status quo. It's about our vision for modern mobility and sustainability.
Well, Hyundai is committed to achieving carbon neutrality by 2045 with our holistic solutions.
Yeah, so for the team at Motional, the IONIQ 5 is really the ideal platform for us. Beginning with, it's an all-electric architecture, so the operational aspects of that are very important to us, but more so the societal benefits of having an all-electric platform that brings overall emissions down and leads to a carbon neutral footprint is very important to me and to our company. Yeah, so 2023, this vehicle, this product will be on the road in the US in multiple cities, available to the public. One of the beautiful things in working with Hyundai is every decision we made is thinking about scalability. To be able to offer this technology to hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people starting in 2023.